Welcome to Neuro Gamer Boy. We are back. We're gonna go save Battery Bot Girl.
Mission control. We need to use the wheel of invention to get started on the next clue.
Let's do the Wheel of Invention. Woohoo!
Time to intercept another mission. Click the on button to start the wheel.
Don't click that mouse. You don't want to miss a single scintillating
A Hollywood Square.
squares.
Woohoo! Yay!
For Miss Battery Bot from her banishment in time. Let's get to the first clue, shall we? Your first clue is an X-ray. The X-ray will tell you what this mission is all about. A regular camera can't take a picture of the inside of a body. That's a job for the X-ray. Invisible rays called X-rays are used to take X-ray photos. What rays are needed to take snapshots with your camera?
Manta rays, light rays, cosmic rays. Manta rays, light rays, cosmic rays. What is a camera used to take pictures? One more time and then I'll count to 5. Manta rays, light rays, are cosmic rays. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Choose now. Ah, wonderful. I'm going light rays.
Visible light is what makes snapshots appear on film. Like X-rays, light travels in rays. No light, no picture. Light travels so fast, it takes only 8 minutes for the sun's rays to travel to Earth. But what exactly is light?
Is light heat, energy, or sound? Is light heat, energy, or sound? One more time. This is about light. What is light? Heat, energy, or sound? 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Choose now. I'm gonna go energy.
Light
Kaboom.
energy like heat. The energy created by the sun makes the sun shine bright. Which of the following substances also glows because of the energy it creates?
Is it lead, radium, or aluminum? Lead, radium, or aluminum? What makes this is an element. What is the element that glows bright? Lead, uranium, or aluminum? 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. It's up to you, my friends. Choose wisely. I'm going uranium, and I know you already chose that too.
Response. When radium was discovered, people made glow-in-the-dark paint with it. They didn't realize that radium is radioactive, which means it's harmful to people.
Oh no, that's not good.
We need to find our way back to the discovery of radium. I just hope it's not harmful to robots.
Alright, let's do it to it.
Your second clue is toothpaste. The toothpaste will tell you who discovered radium. If the idea of brushing your teeth with ashes from a fireplace grosses you out, it's a good thing you weren't born in ancient Rome. The Romans brushed their teeth with toothpaste made of ashes. Toothpaste helps protect you from one of the world's most common diseases. What's that disease called?
Common cold, cancer, tooth decay. The common cold, cancer, tooth decay. What does toothpaste do to help the teeth with the most common disease for your teeth? The common cold, cancer, or tooth decay? 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. You decide. Come on. I'm gonna go teeth decay. Tooth decay.
Toothpaste helps prevent tooth decay by cleaning the bacteria off your teeth. The bacteria produce acid, which causes cavities. To check for tooth decay, the dentist sometimes takes a picture of the inside of your teeth. What is that picture called?
Is it a portrait, an x-ray, a checkup? A portrait, an x-ray, a checkup. What's the picture that the dentist takes of your teeth to make sure it's okay and they're good? A portrait, an x-ray, or a checkup? 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. It's up to you, my friends. Choose wisely. I'm going an x-ray.
Right you are.
Bam.
Dentists leave the room when they x-ray their patients because it's not good for people's health to be overexposed to them. What scientist was inspired by the discovery of x-rays?
Was it Madame Curie, Jane Goodall, or Frederick Callot? Was it Marie Curie, Jane Goodall, or Frederick Carullo? Who was the one who discovered X-rays, or that X-rays were inspired by? Madame Curie, Jane Goodall, or Frederick, or Fred de Carlu? I'm not sure how to pronounce that. Which one of those? 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. The scientist was inspired by the discovery of X-rays. Which one? You choose. Come on. I'm going Madame Curie.
Good work. Marie Curie was so inspired by the discovery of x-rays that she went on to discover radium.
Okay, so we're looking for Marie Curie when she discovered radium. Let's continue, we're almost there.
Your third clue is a calculator. It will show you where you need to go on your mission. In ancient Rome, if you wanted to count how many animals you had, you put a little stone in a bag for each animal. The more animals, the more stones in your bag. Calculators are modern machines for counting. What was the first counting machine used by people?
Was it a computer, the adding machine, or an abacus? Was it the computer, an adding machine, or an abacus? What was the first counting device that was used in the known world that was actually really, really reliable? The computer, the adding machine, or the abacus? 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5. It's up to you. Choose wisely. I'm gonna go the abacus.
Absolutely! The abacus was invented centuries ago as a way to add, subtract, multiply, and divide. The abacus was invented in which country?
What country was the abacus invented? China, Greece, or Italy? China, Greece, Italy. Where was the abacus created? China, Greece, or Italy? Which one? 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. It's up to you. You could do this. I know you can. Choose the correct one. I'm gonna go Greece. Oh.
Try another answer.
Probably now. It's probably China then. Interesting.
Response. The Chinese invented an early version of the abacus centuries ago as a way for merchants to calculate their sales. China has many neighbors. Which country is not a neighbor of China?
India, France, Russia. India, France, Russia. Which country is not a neighbor of China? India, France, Russia. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Choose. India is, you're saying, and Russia is? Then that only leaves France.
France is located in Europe. If you live in France, you live next door to Italy, Switzerland, and Spain, not China. And if you live in France, you also live in the country where radium was discovered.
Oh, cool.
We now know that radium was discovered in France by Marie Curie. Let's move on.
We're going to find out what happens to the next one.
Your
When?
fourth clue is a battery, and it will provide the power you need to find when in history this mission will take you. A frog helped to make the world's first battery. It all started when an Italian scientist touched a dead frog with two different metals at the same time. The battery was invented after a dead frog did something surprising when it was touched by two metals. What did the dead frog do?
What did it do? It spoke. It came to life. It twitched. It spoke. It came to life. It twitched. When the two metals were put to bind onto the frog that was dead, what did the frog do? One more time, then I'm counting to 5. It spoke. It came to life. It twitched. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Choose now. I'm going to say it twitched.
That's right. The two metals reacted with the moisture in the frog's body and made the frog twitch, even though it was dead as a doornail. What made the frog twitch?
What made the frog twitch? Heat, electricity, an itchy nose. Heat, electricity, an itchy nose. What made the frog twitch? Heat, electricity, an itchy nose. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. It's up to you. Choose now. It's not heat, is it? And it's not an itchy nose. What else could it be? Electricity!
Exactly right. The two metals created a chemical reaction that produced enough electricity to make the frog twitch. The idea for a battery had been born. The first battery was invented in 1800, 98 years before radium was discovered. When was radium discovered?
So the first battery was invented in 1800, 98 years before radium was discovered. When was radium discovered? So it is 98 years before radium was discovered. So what is 1800 minus 98? Just think about that. Is it 1702, 1798, or 1898? 1702, 1798, 1898. What is 1,800 minus 89? Just think about that. Is it 1702, 1798, or 1898? 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. We know that we know that it's more. It's not 2 minus that because 2 would be that, and it's not adding 98. So the only thing it could be is 98 minus 1800 is set, and we learned that from the one bringing it over and making it into a 10. We learned that, and 17. Oh,
Get your abacus out and try again.
the first battery was invented in. Oh, I apologize. I had that. It's actually this one.
Good.
So, sorry about that.
Further discoveries in electrical energy, and radium led to important discoveries in nuclear energy.
I got a charge on that thing, didn't you?
Okay, so I had it inversely. That's funny.
So, before we take this trip back in time, can I just tell you how amazing I think you are? That said, grab the time key and let's move out.
What's our subject that we learned about? Radium. Who made it? Who explored it? Found it? Madame Curie. Who was the one and when was it? 1898. And where? France. Great job. So what was it? Radium? Who? Madame Curie. Then it was in 1898 and it was in France. Let's go, go, go. Let's head on in.
Hey, I can get used to this.
All right.
Get us started. Got your Geiger counter? We're about to visit the laboratory of Marie Curie in Paris, France. One of history's greatest scientists is about to discover radium. Shh. He was about to discover. These batteries better not foul this up. Marie Curie's got 2 Nobel Prizes hiding on this. What a show! Marie Curie is about to discover that radium's battery operated. Hit that recall button fast!
Recall, recall.
Look how proud she is. She knows that when it comes to radium, batteries are definitely not included. Now back to the future. Wow, that was some landing. Press the back button on the utility belt to leave the time machine. We need to put this robot to rest. Hey, things are looking up here. We've added another robot to the roost. When you say sweet dreams. Another robot safe at home. I bet you think you're the smartest little robot in the world now, don't you, Gutley? Well, you're not as smart as I am, and I'm gonna make the next mission so tough you'll beg to be taken to the scrap heap. All right, we still got places to go and robots to rescue. Click on the inventory to start a mission.
Okay, we're going to call it right here and then start one next time on our next stream. Always remember to like, favorite, subscribe, and come back to Neuro Gamer Boy for more videos and comment down below. And remember that Neuro Gamer Boy loves you. Keep using the mind that the Lord has given you. Keep learning and improving and coming back for more videos. And I will see you next time. Have fun learning. Bye-bye, my friends.